Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the new promotion that is being installed in Binance, and this refers to the APR or the annual percentage rate given to the USDC coin. As there has been a new promotion this December where you will be eligible to get a new bonus that will be up to 15% APR. So this bonus will last from December 2nd to December 15th. So please, if you are interested in this project, just be quick on that. And also remember, as all my videos, this is not financial advice, so take your decisions at your own risk. So in this case, this promotion gets us this additional percentage either in the flexible USDC earn products or the locks products. So as you can see here in the summary, you will have, apart from the real-time APR that will be approximately 6 to 9%, you will have a 9% bonus tier APR on your first 500 USDC coins. So it's a very good opportunity if you want to get some more credit, more money for your unused USDC coins this December. Also, you have it in the fixed product. So how you can have it? If you go to your spot account in Binance, you will have your USDC coins. Here I have 500 of those, and you can click on them, and you will see here that there's the option of USDC earn with this APR of 15.12%. So you just click on that and it will redirect you to the earn products, and you will see here that USDC, the simple earn products with this maximum APR set, and I will click on subscribe, and you will see here that I can choose what I want to have here. For me, I will do the maximum amount, and I can see here that the bonus tier rewards plus the APR rewards. And you can see here the product rules if you want to read a little bit more, how it's going to show. And you will see that you get your bonus rewards 2 days after starting this. So go to subscribe and you can click on confirm, and automatically you will have this done. So now if you go to your wallets and you go to earn, you will find here your subscription. In this case, flexible. I have my 500 USDCs, and I'm still getting these rewards. And I think that the reward for the flexible account, not the fixed APR bonus, it will be given you after 2 days, and the real ones will be given every second. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe or ask me for more questions about Binance.